So it's he said, she said. Who's the judge going to believe? Making good effective use of text messages, emails, voicemail, and cell phone recordings can help you win your case. How do you do that? Let's discuss it. Hi, I'm Larry DeMarco. I'm a family law, workers' compensation, and personal injury attorney. Exhibits should be used to support important things that you need to prove. They also can be used to contradict things that your ex would like the judge to believe, but's false or inaccurate. Before you even begin preparing for your case, search your email account under your ex's address. Review the notes in your calendars of the custody exchanges or not, or any events that you've recorded. Review the text messages between the two of you, you and your ex, pictures on your phone. Save voicemail messages and any other video recordings that you have that you think that can help you. Using exhibits effectively will show the judge that you take the matter seriously, and it'll make it easier for the judge to take you seriously as well. When you're in court, it's not enough just to have the information. You can't just tell the judge something's a fact because you know it. You have to prove it. And you prove it by providing it and showing the evidence itself. The only evidence the judge consider is the testimony and the documents that you hand up to him or her. That means to be able to do that, you have to know where to find it in your box, notebook, folder, or briefcase. And then when you want to present it, you have to share copies with your ex or your ex's lawyer, a copy for the judge, and a copy for the clerk. To stay organized, keep a table of contents and clearly mark all the exhibits that you're prepared to hand up, so you'll have no trouble finding it in the heat of battle when you have that nervous adrenaline rush in court. On the other hand, if you show up in court with your exhibits randomly stacked in a pile, you'll risk wasting the court's time fumbling around to find what you need. The judge might decide that if you don't care enough about your case to keep things organized, then you probably don't care about what the judge is going to decide either. Or the judge might not give you the time to find what you need, no matter how important it was, so keep it handy. Put the same consideration in the case that you expect from the judge. So let's discuss some ways or an example on how to use an exhibit. For instance, a support case. Don't just say how much you spend per month on expenses when you know the other side is disputing what you're saying. Prepare your credit card statement or bank statements as proof to support what you're saying. Whenever there's a document that will prove what you're saying is correct, get a copy, get several copies of it, and enter it into evidence after you talk about it. If your ex is saying that he or she is earning much less than he or she did before, show a pay stub that you had when you were married, that your ex had showed you before, that you kept a copy of. If your ex says that he or she doesn't have the ability to get anything but a minimum wage job, show the resume, which shows the graduate school education and high-paying job experience. Keep a list of what's in evidence and what each exhibit can prove. So when it's time to make an argument and persuade the judge, you have a list of the exhibits with a proper identifying name and an explanation of what you think that exhibit shows, so you can refer to it during your argument and use it to persuade the judge. Judges appreciate it when you take the time and effort to show and explain the documents that support what you're saying, so you give them a reason to find in your favor with confidence without having to just take your word for what you're requesting. Anything that you want to show the judge, or anything that will make it more likely that you're telling the truth, should be submitted into evidence. And vice versa. If something that you have will contradict something that the other side is saying, have that and use it on cross-examination or questioning, or just submit it into evidence. When you have documents and exhibits prepared, organized, copied, and indexed into a table of contents, then you'll know you're ready to go. I hope you found this video about evidence and documents helpful. Check out other informational legal videos on my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for new videos. To learn more about my legal services, click the links in the description section of this YouTube video or on one of the video links on your screen. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.